All right, this week we are going to continue exploring some of our materials that we have to use in manufacturing and industry. We're going to concentrate largely on aluminum, predominantly because it's fairly easy for us to get access to, and it's a fairly common recycled material. So I've got some aluminum cans here. We're going to be melting these aluminum cans down in our class, kind of talking about the processes that we use to make different types of metals. But before we do this, because we need to kind of take a few notes and make some observations about the aluminum. So if we notice, I've got a full can of Coke. By the way, Coke has not officially endorsed this particular video, but this is 12 ounces. So we're just going to weigh this here, and we'll see that this measures 13.5 ounces. Now, if you think about that, we have 12 fluid ounces in this particular can, so that leaves us about 1.5 ounces. So let's go ahead and weigh. This is a somewhat empty can. There's probably still a few drops in there, but that measures only 1/2 of an ounce. Now, I'm always kind of cautious when I get that low on this particular scale because I don't know if it's true, so let's just double check. And indeed it does kind of check out that each of these cans are 1/2 ounce. Now that means that we've got 1 ounce someplace else here, so we're going to kind of think about that and where that extra ounce went to once we released and emptied the can. And then we're going to also decide, okay, if each of these cans are 1/2 ounce in material, and we're going to melt the aluminum down here, how many of these cans is it going to take for us to get a decent amount of aluminum to make some stuff? So we're going to kind of do some of this here in lab this week as we kind of explore our materials, explore our different production processes in manufacturing processes class.